The universe continues to expand, making it challenging to define its boundaries and measure its precise size. However, thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, we are now able to peer into the farthest reaches of the cosmos. Since the telescope's initial journey into space, numerous scientists, including Brian Cox, have shared revelations that reveal the actual enormity and scale of the universe, an expanse that is almost beyond comprehension. Within the portion of the universe that we can observe, there exist around 2 trillion galaxies. This estimate is based on research carried out on the local universe, and we are reasonably confident that this observable region is merely a tiny fraction of what might be an endless universe. We have yet to fully understand that we are not alone in the universe but are, in fact, an essential part of it. In a sense, the universe is aware of itself through us. With the guidance of the James Webb Telescope, we embark on a grand voyage to uncover the true scale of our universe. If you're interested in staying informed about cosmic discoveries and news, consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to like this video and enable notifications. The vastness of space. Now, imagine traveling at a speed of 70 miles per hour. To complete a journey around the equator of the Earth, it would take you approximately 15 days. To reach the Moon, it would take around 5 months. To get close to Mars, it would require nearly 63 years. Astonishingly, it would take about 4,400 years to reach Neptune. These numbers alone demonstrate the vastness of our solar system. For perspective, consider the Voyager 1 probe, which was launched in 1977 with a speed of 38,000 miles per hour. Despite its impressive pace, it didn't leave our solar system until 2012, meaning it spent 35 years just to exit. This highlights how immense even our local space is. Even light, which can travel around Earth 7 times in just 1 second, seems relatively sluggish when compared to the massive expanse of our solar system. Despite its vastness, our solar system pales in comparison to the Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way and beyond. The Milky Way is home to roughly 300 billion stars, many of which likely possess their own planetary systems. The closest neighboring star, Alpha Centauri, lies approximately 4.3 light-years away. This means that even if we traveled at the speed of light, it would still take us over 4 years to reach it. Now, imagine attempting to reach Alpha Centauri right now. If you were traveling at the same speed as Voyager 1, 38,000 miles per hour, it would take an astounding 70,000 years to arrive. This illustrates the immense distances involved in interstellar travel. Radio signals and the cosmic scale. Let's take a look at a star called Rho located 64 light-years away. If we consider the concept of the radiosphere, the distance our radio signals have traveled over the past century, these transmissions, although greatly weakened, have reached approximately 15,000 star systems. However, this number is a mere fraction compared to the total number of stars within the Milky Way. If you gaze into the night at Vy Canis Majoris tonight, the light you see left that star over 640 years ago, well before Christopher Columbus set sail for the Americas. It's incredible to think that this light has journeyed across the universe for centuries before finally reaching us. To put the scale of our radio sphere into perspective, if we scaled down our solar system to the size of a quarter placed in the middle of the United States, the entire Milky Way would be equivalent to the entire United States. In this enormous space you would find 300 billion star systems, each with planets of their own. We are just one of those 300 billion star systems, floating within an unfathomably vast number of stars and planets. Beyond our galaxy there are at least 1 trillion more galaxies. Yes, 1 trillion. To comprehend its enormity, imagine collection of 1,000 cats. Now imagine 1,000 groups, each containing 1,000 cats. That would give us 1 million cats. But 1 trillion is 1 million multiplied by 1 million. A truly astronomical number. Galactic collisions and the structure of the universe. The Andromeda Galaxy, which is our closest neighboring galaxy, is situated 2.5 million light-years away. It is rapidly moving toward us, and when it eventually collides with the Milky Way, the night sky will look very different. Andromeda contains roughly 1 trillion stars, while the Milky Way has around 300 billion stars. Despite this substantial difference, the likelihood of individual stars from both galaxies colliding is incredibly low, emphasizing the vastness of space and the rare occurrence of direct interactions between stars. Although galactic collisions are uncommon, they can sometimes foster the formation of new stars and galaxies, offering new opportunities for life to emerge in the cosmos. Galaxies are not static. They are constantly evolving. As we look further from our own neighborhood, we meet our local group of galaxies, followed by the Virgo cluster, which contains more than 1,500 galaxies. The Virgo cluster is part of an even larger structure called the Laniakea supercluster, which consists of about 100,000 galaxies. Each of these galaxies contains hundreds of billions of stars and planets, and this is just a tiny fraction of the grand scheme. In the observable universe, there are an additional 10 million similar superclusters. As we zoom out and examine the universe, we uncover an increasing number of mapped galaxies. However, the number of mapped galaxies represents only a small portion of what exists. Hundreds of billions of galaxies remain unmapped. Additionally, we must take into account the cosmic background radiation, which is the faint light left over from the Big Bang. This is the oldest detectable light, providing insights into the early universe. Cosmic voids and the cosmic web. When we think about the scale of the universe, it becomes even more astonishing when we consider the voids in space, regions where matter is extremely sparse compared to other areas. These cosmic voids span hundreds of millions of light-years in diameter. Despite the seemingly empty expanses, these gaps may one day produce new galaxies and structures. As we travel further into the depths of space, we encounter cosmic filaments, enormous structures of dust, gas, and dark matter that span billions of light-years. These filaments form a cosmic web that binds galaxies and galaxy clusters together through gravity, creating an intricate structure that spans unimaginable distances. Within these filaments, galaxies and superclusters interact and evolve, continuing their cosmic dance through gravitational forces. The expanse of space provides infinite room for cosmic phenomena to spread out. For instance, the explosive deaths of massive stars scatter heavy elements throughout the universe, enhancing the interstellar medium and planetary systems. Black holes, with their incredible gravity, play a pivotal role in shaping the evolution of galaxies. They can also emit powerful jets of energy that extend far into space. In space's farthest reaches, we come across extraordinary events like quasars, supermassive black holes that consume matter and emit massive amounts of energy. These quasars can outshine entire galaxies and serve as beacons to study the universe's earliest stages. But the question remains: what lies beyond the observable universe? Beyond the numerous galaxies within our reach, there are those whose light has not yet had time to reach us. Additionally, due to the continuous expansion of space and the movement of galaxies, the light from these distant galaxies may never reach us. These regions may forever remain beyond our access. As long as the universe expands, we can make educated predictions based on our understanding of physics. These predictions suggest that the entire universe is at least 250 times the size of the observable universe. Some theories even argue that the universe could be infinitely large. This broader perspective encourages us to contemplate the universe's true nature and our place within it. As humans living on a small planet in the vast expanse of space, pondering these ideas challenges us to reflect on our existence and our role in the greater cosmic story. So, have you ever wondered how vast the universe truly is? I hope this video has provided you with some insight into the immense size of the universe. If you have any questions, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like it, share it, and subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. The universe is truly beyond our capabilities to fully comprehend. Each discovery we make, like those enabled by the James Webb Space Telescope, provides a glimpse into the boundless unknown. Even though we are surrounded by the everyday wonders of our planet, understanding our place in the cosmos helps put our existence into a vast context. When we talk about the observable universe, we are merely scratching the surface. There is so much more out there that we can't yet see. The new information we acquire continuously expands our understanding. The knowledge that there are galaxies beyond our sight, some of which are still too distant for their light to reach us, raises important questions about what the future holds. The continuous expansion of space, coupled with the movement of galaxies, indicates that a significant portion of the universe will always remain inaccessible to us. This expanding universe is evidence of the infinite possibilities that lie beyond what we can perceive. As we explore further, our scientific knowledge leads to even more intriguing thoughts. The universe may be much larger than we currently imagine. Some predictions suggest that it could be 250 times the size of what we can see, while some experts consider the possibility that it is infinitely large. These concepts encourage us to consider our existence as humans on Earth and to ponder just how small we are in the grand scheme of things. The journey to comprehend the universe is more than just a scientific pursuit. It is also a philosophical one. As we look up at the stars, each one represents a piece of the vast puzzle that is our universe. The discoveries we make about the cosmos, these stars, galaxies, and celestial bodies, help us grasp our humble place in a universe that never stops growing and evolving. Our understanding of the cosmos is constantly evolving. With each new breakthrough, we take another step closer to grasping the immensity of the universe. These insights also challenge us to consider our future. If the universe is truly expanding without limit, what does that mean for the future of exploration? Can humanity someday reach beyond our galaxy, exploring distant stars and systems? Does this imply that the universe has no end, that there will always be new frontiers for us to explore? These questions remain at the heart of our quest for knowledge. As we think about them, it is important to acknowledge the critical role that technologies like the James Webb Space Telescope play in our understanding. Without such advancements, much of what we know about the farthest reaches of space would remain a mystery. It is through these technological marvels that we can now glimpse the unimaginable magnitude of the universe. With each new image or discovery, we come closer to understanding our place in the grand design of things. While the challenges of exploring space are immense, so are the rewards. Every step forward in space exploration teaches us more about ourselves, our planet, and the incredible universe we are a part of. As we continue to look outward into the cosmos, it is important to remember the significance of our efforts and the endless possibilities that lie ahead. In conclusion, the universe is vast, complex, and continually expanding. Through scientific advancements, we are learning more about the cosmos and our place within it. The more we learn, the more we realize how much we have yet to discover. As we look toward the future, the quest for knowledge about the universe will continue to shape our understanding of reality itself. If you are fascinated by this journey of exploration, don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos, share with others who might enjoy learning about the universe, and check back for more amazing content. Thank you for being part of this incredible journey. I look forward to seeing you again soon. The continuous exploration of the universe reveals just how small we are in comparison. It emphasizes the possibility of discovery and the uncharted territories still awaiting us. Every new insight pushes the boundaries of human knowledge and reshapes our perspective on existence itself. As we venture deeper into space, our sense of wonder only grows. There is always something new to discover, and the more we uncover, the more we realize how much we have yet to comprehend. This is one of the most humbling aspects of our exploration of space. Despite all the scientific and technological advancements, we are still a tiny species on one small planet, striving to understand a universe that far exceeds our imagination. With each new piece of knowledge, we challenge ourselves to reconsider our place in the cosmos. The vast, ever-expanding universe does not simply provide answers, it raises even more profound questions. What lies beyond the galaxies we can see? What happens in the deep voids where no light reaches? How will we continue to develop as we move forward into space? The role of telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope cannot be overstated. This technological marvel enables us to see farther than ever before, providing invaluable glimpses into the universe's mysteries. Without such tools, much of what we know would remain out of reach, and many of the profound questions we grapple with would remain unanswered.